Jeep Honcho A Overview. The Jeep Honcho was a special trim package for the Jeep J Series pickup trucks, produced mainly between 1976 and 1983. It wasn't a separate model, but rather a visual and style upgrade that gave the J Series a rugged, adventurous personality perfect for the late A70s and early A80s outdoor lifestyle trend. 1. Design appearance. Base model, Jeep J10 or J20 pickup. Signature graphics, large Honcho decals on the sides with bold striping patterns. Colors, offered in bright, eye-catching colors like red, yellow, orange, blue, and two-tone combos. Exterior style. Wide track fender flares. Optional roll bar. Chrome bumpers. Custom alloy wheels or painted steel wheels with white leather tires. Bed options, stepside or townside, flat beds depending on the year. 2. Engine performance. Engines available: 4.2 liters AMC inline-six, 5.0 liters, 304 cubic inches, AMC V8, 5.9 liters, 360 cubic inches, AMC V8, 6.6 liters, 401 cubic inches, AMC V8, rare. Transmission, 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, or 3-speed automatic. 4WD system, Dana axles with manual locking hubs. Known for strong low-end torque and excellent off-road ability thanks to Jeep's rugged drivetrain. 3. Interior. Bucket seats or bench seat depending on configuration. Woodgrain dash trim. Sport steering wheel. Optional AM/FM radio or CB radio, very 1970s. Vinyl or cloth upholstery with bold color choices. 4. Legacy collectability. Cultural impact. The Honcho represented the adventurous, outdoor-loving image Jeep marketed in the A70s. It often appeared in ads with dirt bikes, surfboards, and camping gear. Collectability today, very sought after by vintage Jeep and classic truck enthusiasts, especially original models with intact decals and rare factory options. Fun fact, the Honcho was part of a trio of themed Jeep trucks along with the Golden Eagle and 10-4 packages. Quick specs, varied by year. Years built 1976 and 1983. Engine range 4.2 liters i6 a 6.6 liters V8 drivetrain 4WD transmission manual automatic bed style stepside townside special features bold graphics, sport styling.